Well, welcome back to Gardeners Cottage. I've just brought you to the garden to show you a really quick video tour of the cottage garden right now because there's lots going on. Mike's forgotten to bring his phone with him, so you've got me today. So just showing you all the things that are flowering. We've predominantly planted wildflowers in this garden because the soil's quite poor, and we find that the wildflowers cope very well with the poor soil and the droughty conditions. But I just wanted to show you what we're doing this month. We're doing what's called No Mow May, which means we won't be mowing the grass for as much of May as possible. And already we've got these lovely daisies in the lawn. We've done it for the last couple of years, and it gives the grass a bit of a chance to recover. You do get more flowers in the lawn. Actually, we've got violets and things in the lawn coming up as well. I'll just take you over here. We've got lots of wildflowers coming up here. We've got the purple honesty, which is still looking good. We've got oxeye daisies coming on here, not quite in flower yet. And we've got this blue plant, which I'm not actually sure what it is, but it grows everywhere here. It grows like a weed, but we think it's very pretty. We've got cow parsley in flower. Here's another plant that grows in this area of Norfolk a lot. Which again, the name is just evading me at the moment. This seeds very prolifically. It has pretty seed heads, but if you do let it seed, you'll end up with it everywhere, which I did do last year. So we have quite a lot of it this year, but I think I might deadhead it this year so we don't end up with quite so many, because we literally have thousands of baby ones coming on. Just show you my little sign. As the cottage is let, we thought we should probably explain to the guests why we've got so many wildflowers. This is another brilliant wildflower. The bees absolutely love it. And as you can see, there's bees on this now. It's really early flowering and very, very bee friendly. This is alive. Can you hear them? Again, I can't remember what that is. I think it may be related to borage. Mike's much better than me at the names. This is all very wild bit of the garden. We had this lovely cherry tree in flower here. And then the Solomon seal is about to flower. This has always been here. We didn't plant it, it just appeared. And then under here they've got a mass of honesty. This is just seeded into here. We've also got Cyclamen, which flower in about January. They finish now. Oh my goodness, this is new. I did not plant this here. This is a very old garden, and look what's appeared. We've got white bells. They're quite rare. We've got lots of bluebells, but I've not seen a white bell in this garden. I've never seen bluebells or white bells in this bit of the garden before. So that's really nice. This is just spectacular, this purple honesty. It's planted under the tree. It's a really good plant. It will grow pretty much anywhere. It likes dry conditions. It will grow in shade. And this one, as you can see, is quite a bit later because it's under the tree. The flowering current's pretty much over now. Let's just see what's down here. Oh my goodness, look at the lilac. Oh, it's not actually doing particularly well. It's overwhelmed by this enormous buddleia here next to it, which we need to cut back. So I think that's one of the jobs we need to do, probably over the next week, is cut that buddleia hard back, so that the lilac can get some light, because actually it's beautiful. Okay, last year I planted some roses in here, but they are a little overwhelmed by these huge buddleias. We've got a Clematis montana here, and again another enormous buddleia with a Clematis running through it. So when the Clematis has finished flowering, I need to get my big loppers out and give this buddleia a really, really hard. It's about 20 foot tall. It's dominating this border. But at the moment we've got this lovely Clematis montana Alba running through it, which grows really well here. We planted it about over 15 years ago, and every year it gives us an absolutely spectacular display. I hope I'm not moving too quickly, but I just love this plant. What else have I got to show you? This beautiful plant. I absolutely love this. Look at that colour. It's just gorgeous. You can get it in a variety of colours. This is a really good one. I think this is my favourite, the blue, but it also comes in white and a sort of grey blue. It's actually a bulb. You can buy them in the garden centres at this time of year, and if you've got a mature plant you can actually split it, but it's just spectacular. If anyone knows the name, pop it in comments, because it is one of my favourites, but I always forget the name. Mike's brilliant at names. I'm not. What else have we got flowering? The hollyhocks are coming on nicely, but they're not ready to flower yet. But we have got Valerian flowering over here, which is very early. This has started flowering last week. To have Valerian flowering at the end of April is very unusual. I'll give you another view of that wonderful Montana Alba over the wall. Okay, so I'll probably, oh, I've actually got a wallflower flowering up there, if you can see. And then actually growing out of the wall. Anyway, I'll say goodbye for now, because I've got lots to get on with. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit subscribe. Thank you for watching.